Got it!
Go. Put on you. Good morning guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're in the Houston Auto Show and you know it's real because I have my media pass. But before we get started, hit it!
Yeah. You ready? Hey! Let's go!
Okay guys, so today with me is my friend Paula.
Hi.
Yeah, she's coming with me. We're gonna go check all the cars, you know, and maybe test drive some of them. I don't know, we'll see. But first, just look at that. There's a Lamborghini Aventador. What? Nice Lamborghini, but now we're going inside to see what they have. Hopefully something good. If not, I'm just gonna leave. There's the entrance. Nope. So the media pass worked, guys, and now we're going in. Yes. Wow. I don't even know where to go. So many cars. Okay guys, so here is the brand new Ford GT in white. Oh my god, I like this car. Paula, you like this car?
Yeah.
Wow guys, check this new Camaro SO1. This is great. It looks so neat. Like oh my god, even the spoiler. Look at that carbon fiber. Jeez. Okay guys, we're gonna go check the new Jaguar SUV. Okay guys, so that was really cool. I have a Jaguar keychain. Okay, this is quite nice. This is the new Maserati Levante. I love the blue color and the brown interior. Ooh, so cool. Just look at it. Ooh, and the logo. That's my favorite part right there.
Actually on the offering as well.
And here's the Mercedes AMG GT. It looks pretty dope. Convertible, BA bi-turbo. Love this car. Wow. We have the BMW i8. This is Paula's favorite car. Nice. Paula, you like it?
It's cute.
It's cute. I like this one. It's my favorite car right here. Yeah, Audi TT Quattro. This thing is fast. Can you buy it for me?
No.
Guys, just look at it. So beautiful. I'm in love with this. This is a Civic Type R, my goodness. Such a nice car.
So, you're gonna drive it?
But you bet I'm gonna drive it. Guys, so this is the Dodge Durango RT. This is like the hardcore, well, not the super hardcore. This is just like the hardcore version of my mom's car. I love this. Oh my god. Mom, can you just buy this for me, please? Please just look at it. Look at the car.
Right over here.
Look at that. Two exhausts. Oh, I love this car.
Bro, sign up.
Sign up for what?
Enter
Chat! watching these jeans. Just look at this. Oh, the screens. There's space in the middle. Oh my god, I need this. Oh my god. Oh, what? This is different from my mom's car. Oh, this is so cool. Okay, never mind. This is the super hard version.
Am I interrupting your vlog?
Yes, you are. I'm sorry. My goodness, Paula.
Sorry, I'll walk away now.
Okay, guys, so this is the hardcore version of my mom's car, the Dodge Durango SRT. Just look at it. Mama, please. Just buy it already. God, I wonder so bad. Okay, look at the rims. Beautiful. Just like my mom's car. I love this car. Let's go check the interior. Oh wow, it's almost the same thing. Hey Paula. Yeah, it's almost the same. I like it. Do you like it?
Let's go look at the trucks.
The what?
The trucks with suspension.
Ooh, wow. Those are big. The Mustang? You like the Mustang? Oh wow, I didn't notice. Wow, this is so low.
It's beautiful.
Look at that. It's super low.
It's like very uncomfortable seats to sit in.
Not really. It's actually really comfortable. Did you try it? Oh my god, look at this. Okay, so that is to drift. It's like a brake. Wow. Look at this, guys. This car usually only has 3 wheels. This one has 4. And look at the size of this. Like, oh my god. That's so cool. This what? Oh, yeah. Okay guys, so this is the new Lincoln Navigator. They honestly step up their game. This is so beautiful. It really looks like a Mercedes. Just look at this. Hey, follow. Yeah.
Is this just no, I like the Mercedes speakers better.
Yeah. But honestly, it's so beautiful.
Honestly, you don't need this much room in the car.
I mean, if you have fun, you need to.
No, you don't. Just look up.
Look at this. The console. Ooh, I like this.
Blind spot so you don't merge in.
Okay guys, so now we're gonna do some test drive. I have my, I don't know what it is, but yeah, I wanna go test drive some cars. Paula is signing up over there.
And if anybody wants to play.
Okay, so first thing we're gonna try the 124 Spider Fiat. Oh my god, look at that! Mom, you need to get that one. Please, mom, please, mom, please, mom, please!
Okay. Wow. We're driving it. So,
¿Qué tal? ¿Todo bien?
Sí.
No choques, ¿eh?
Nah.
No necesariamente depende cómo.
All right. Hey. Is it left?
Keep going that way. Follow the truck.
Can I drive that one?
You want to drive the tractor?
How many turbos? Straight?
Yes.
Ah, I like it. Okay, so I just drove the 124 Fiat Spider. It was pretty cool. Now I'm just waiting for Paula to get here. She's driving the same one, but the Abarth. There she is.
maps. I'm gonna go in between those two signs there.
Oh gosh. This car is high. I thought it was gonna be lower.
Up ahead of the light, we're gonna turn right.
So that way?
Actually, you know what? Let's go this way because I bet we can go out here and we can avoid all that traffic there.
Have you gone on this one?
Well, we're on the city street, so we don't go any faster than about 50.
Why you always lying? Oh my God.
If I'm on the highways, I don't go much faster than the highway speed.
Why you always lying? Oh my God.
Come on! Got it!
Go.
Put on you.
Go.
Put on you. Wow. You see that change there?
Okay guys, so as usual I always forget to film the end of the video, but I have to say thank you for watching all my videos. Thanks to all my 400 subscribers. Hopefully we can get it to 1,000. So if you haven't joined Mi Familia, you better subscribe. Alright guys, see you next time.
Wait, when is the drop? When is the drop? When is the drop?